Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Happy holidays, everybody. Looking at GPRO on the daily, weekly, shorter term time frames. It's time to start scouting for a bounce. I'm not convinced just yet. What I want to see is the middle Bollinger Band as support on the daily time frame, and that is because we've been rejecting from it 1, 2, 3, 4 times now, and we've yet to get over it. We did get a bullish MACD cross long ago, but the price still trended down a bit after that cross. I'm looking for a bullish TCG cross, which is when this 4-period exponential crosses the 8-period to the upside. We're on the verge of that happening. Nice close at the high of the day on Friday. So the middle Bollinger Band resistance on Tuesday is going to be down around, about 923 or so. We have to update that at the open. And we do have a double top at 960. You can see these big upper wicks, and that was a very clear profit-taking point where the bulls ran into a wall of resistance. So middle Bollinger Band and 960, two levels to be watching. The oversold bounce is underway in terms of the RSI. Now we just need to progress with higher lows and higher highs. We did just form a higher low down at 875 compared to the all-time low of 854. And now we need that break of 960 to get that higher high and a close over that middle Bollinger Band. Weekly time frame shows the all-time low back here previously was 862. And although we did dip below it, we can see the bulls buying that dip and maintaining a close above that key support level. So the lowest weekly close we've ever had was 888. And here just now we closed at 901 as the lowest close. So the bulls are defending this support level. It's a potential bottom fishing play where we have that previous support to be watching. It's a bullish reversal candlestick looking for confirmation, but the high of the past 2 weeks of 960 has to break in order to see that short-term upside play out. So I'm not looking for a long-term trend change or anything just yet. The bulls are a long way away from that occurring. I'm looking for a short-term trend change and an oversold bounce to play out. I'm watching the hourly time frame on Tuesday for a potential bullish signal, looking at the 100 and 200 period moving average channel that has formed. Pre-market on Friday, we rejected from the 200 period resistance. We bounced off the 100 period support 3 candlesticks in a row. We rejected from the 200 period resistance at the high of the day, at the end of the day. So that level is 918 after hours. It was 919 at the end of the day. So we're going to be watching as these channels continue to tighten. And if on Tuesday the bulls turn this 200-hour moving average into support, we'll be looking good for the middle Bollinger Band on the daily time frame in the low 920s to become support as well. So I've been waiting very patiently. This is the kind of chart on the daily time frame where I'll just peek in every so often, every few days, just to see if the bulls are close to getting that middle Bollinger Band yet. And now they are close to it. So now I'm starting to pay attention. We'll check back in and watching to see if the bulls have this oversold bounce play out. Ideally, we need an increase in volume compared to the low volume Friday we saw across the market. 3.5 million shares for GPRO should be easy for the bulls to surpass if we get some momentum to the upside. I appreciate you watching. Have a great rest of your long weekend.